Importing and exporting. Importing refers to the process of bringing information or data into a program, while exporting refers to the ability to transfer data or files out of one program and into another. Now, we've already discussed one type of importing already when we discussed performing queries elsewhere in this chapter. However, it's critical that you understand that material in your Excel worksheet or workbook is not static. It can be changed. It can be added to from an acceptable external data source, such as a data-backed web page or database, and its data can also be exported or sent out to other programs, such as to a Microsoft Access database or another database program. You can also move material around from Excel to a word processor such as Microsoft Word, and here you see a chart that we've created in Microsoft Excel, and now you see it as it's been imported into Microsoft Word, because we're developing a report based on the sales data. You can do this, for example, when you're working on a report or a statement that needs to be backed up by data or emphasized using a chart drawn from Excel data. You have to understand, too, that this is an especially key feature in very busy work environments where you may be juggling a number of different data sources to produce reports. The simpler it is to take information from one place and position it in another not only saves time, it can increase overall accuracy because you're less likely to risk the human error involved in manually copying material from one source to another. And as we move along and get farther along in the chapters, you'll see some of the ways that you can both work with other programs to bring material into Excel and as well as work with Excel to export material out to other programs such as, a database, or here we have Microsoft Word. So bear that in mind and try not to confuse importing and exporting with another concept we'll talk about in a moment, linking and embedding.